Hello, my name is Emily Burns, and I am the high school placement counselor here at Prospect Sierra. There are three important guidelines to working with families in this process. They are partnership, balance, and fit. I start working with families in the spring of seventh grade and then throughout the entire year of eighth grade. And I am your partner in this process. I will be there every step of the way, holding your hand, making sure you're not missing out on a single deadline or opportunity. I'm in it with you. And then balance is another important part of this process. We want eighth graders to still feel like eighth graders and not always be looking ahead to high school. So we really encourage to take a sense of balance when it comes to this process. Not every conversation at the dinner table needs to be about high school. And there's a way to strike a good balance between being present in eighth grade and looking forward to the future. And then fit. Fit is a word I say all the time. It's really important for you and your student to feel what is going to be a good fit for them when it comes to this next step. So I really encourage families to let go of any stereotypes or things that they've maybe heard about certain schools before they start this process. And doing your own research, visiting, and making your own opinions about these places are really important. So there are no good or bad schools, but there are schools that are going to be a better or worse fit for your student. And I'm here to help you figure that out as well. 97% of our students are admitted to their first or second choice high school. And those high schools include the following. About a third of our students end up at independent high schools across the Bay Area and beyond, including places like College Prep, Athenian, Lick Wilmerding, Branson, and others. And then a third of our students end up at parochial high school, places like St. Mary's, Bishop O'Dowd, Salesian, and more. And then the other group, the last third, end up at public high school. And these include places like Berkeley High, El Cerrito High, Albany High, Oakland Tech, and others. So I'm here to help you along the way. That's a great part of the Prospect Sierra program. And our students do great at all of these different schools after they leave Prospect Sierra. And I'm excited to introduce to you today one of our graduates. So take it away.